Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the essentials. Make sure your Google Pay API key and merchant ID match the environment you're using. Once done, clear the app cache and force close, then reopen. That removes stale state. If the app is outdated, update to the latest build, because older SDKs often trigger the IC error. Also, verify the network connection. Unstable Wi-Fi causes handshake failures. These initial actions eliminate most simple causes quickly, so you can move to deeper checks. Next, dig into configuration. Test the same API key in the sandbox and in production to isolate environment-specific problems. You should inspect logs for HTTP 4XX or 5XX responses. Those codes tell you whether it's an auth, routing, or server issue. Make sure TLS certificates are valid and the allowed cipher suites meet Google Pay requirements, because mismatched TLS can produce IC errors. If you changed merchant settings recently, reapply and reissue. To finish, reproduce the error while capturing verbose logs and timestamps. You'll need those for root cause analysis. If a recent config change preceded the problem, roll it back or rotate API keys to eliminate credential corruption. Once you confirm a persistent failure, escalate. Attach logs, exact request/response pairs, and your merchant ID when contacting Google Pay support. One key troubleshooting tip: if nothing works, try a clean install on another device to rule out device-specific issues before broad changes.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.